Reservoir levels remain low and have yet to reach even half of its capacity. In an update on Thursday, the Water and Sewerage Authority, WASA, reported that water levels at the Arena Reservoir are currently at 37.07% capacity or 101.4 feet deep, showing a 3% rise compared to 3 weeks ago. The long-term average prediction for the Arena Reservoir is 75.8% capacity or 113.11 feet. WASA also noted that the Hollis Reservoir is now at 31.83% capacity or 600 feet, reflecting a slight decrease from 3 weeks ago. The long-term average for this reservoir is 73.69% or 613.18 feet. In South Trinidad, the Navet Reservoir currently holds 42.96% capacity or 295.9 feet, with a long-term average expected at 75.68% or 306.1 feet. Meanwhile, in Tobago, the Hillsborough Reservoir remains at full capacity, measuring 870 feet deep, consistent with its level from 1 week ago. Approximately 6 weeks ago, the reservoir was at 61.06% or 862.4 feet.